Welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss what a baking soda scalp scrub is and its benefits. Baking soda can be found in just about anyone's kitchen. It is used to create delicious dishes usually. However, baking soda can also be used as a scalp scrub. Baking soda properties help to detoxify your scalp by removing buildup. Let's talk about two different ways that we can use baking soda in our hair care regimen. The first option is by mixing a tablespoon of baking soda into the shampoo that we will use to cleanse our hair. The second way we can use baking soda is by directly applying and massaging it onto our scalp prior to shampooing. For best results, incorporate a baking soda scalp scrub into your hair regimen at least once every 2 months. Thanks for watching our video about the baking soda scalp scrub. Continue to learn about natural hair care tips with our channel. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and always remember to wear your hair with pride.